Hello everyone. So if you want to live a very healthy life, maintain a healthy body size without gaining weight and belly fat, stick around and I'll share with you this very healthy oatmeal recipe you should add in your life, and trust me, you will never have that belly fat or gain bad weight with calories leading to obesity, which leads to illnesses. So in order to come up with this recipe, I'll share with you the benefits at the end. But what you need first is oats. So you get your oats and you blend so we can get the flour out of this. So after you blend this, it looks exactly like white flour. So if you love white flour, trust me, you will not be missing the flour. You can have it with oatmeal, which will digest so fast and not leave in a lot of calories or bother your system to break it down. So I'll be using 2 cups of blended oat flour. So I've blended the oats and this is my oat flour. So these are 2 cups, and that is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. I will leave the ingredients at the description. A pinch of salt, a tiny little pinch of salt, like half a teaspoon, and I'll be adding a teaspoon of nutmeg or cinnamon for flavor. To make sure you mix and get all the ingredients together, so you don't have baking powder concentrated on one area. So mix very well. And next to the fruits I'll be using, so I will show you all the fruits, don't bother in detailing now. So I'll be using 2 bananas, and I'll be using a lot of fruits in here. We want it healthy, we want it fruity, so I'll be using 2 bananas. You want to peel very ripe bananas and mash to get it really soft. Yeah, so bananas are very healthy for you. They are very good, will live in, like, will keep you full but without leaving bad calories in your system. So this is a healthy alternative for using maybe like milk, dairy or whatever. You just use 2 bananas, and I'll be using a couple of fruits in here as well. So I'll be using some pineapple. I'll be using 1 cup of pineapple. So you get your pineapple blend. Sorry, I'm so fast, but I want to show you how I came up with the pineapple. So this is half a cup of pineapple. You add in, I'll leave the measurements at the description. That is half a cup of blended pineapple in there. This is so yummy, let me hint you before time. And I'll be using lemon. I'll be using the zest of the lemon for flavor. The peel of the lemon, it makes this taste so good, plus the peel of lemon helps to facilitate digestion. So this is 1 tablespoon of lemon peel from 1 lemon you put in your mixture. And I'll be using the juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So you just need 1 tablespoon from the lemon juice you got your zest from, and you squeeze and add in the mixture. This helps with burning this so fast, like digesting this so fast, making it so healthy for weight loss. And I'll be adding some coconut milk in coconut oil. So this is half a cup of coconut oil or olive oil if you don't have coconut oil, and I'll be adding some honey for taste. If you don't have honey or you are diabetic, you can use stevia. A stevia sweetener will be fine. And I'll be using 2 eggs in here, which you can equally skip if you are vegetarian. It will still go, but I'm not vegetarian. I eat egg but not a lot of meat, but I eat egg for my protein. So 2 eggs in there. You kind of like mix all the ingredients together. This is so healthy and very good for you. No, eggs are very healthy. Eggs are healthy unless you are vegetarian. So mix all these ingredients well together to one consistency before you can add in the dry ingredients, which is the 2 cups of blended oatmeal to oatmeal flour with the wet, and kind of like mix everything together, very smooth one kind of consistency. Yeah, so this is what you get. And I'll be adding in, I will not be using raisins, I'll be using fresh fruit as my raisins, which is chopped strawberries. So these are chopped strawberries, 4 chopped strawberries I'll be using as my raisins, just to make it very healthy, because raisins at times are really concentrated with sugar. I'll be adding some coconut flakes in here for flavor, taste, and you know I love me some coconut flakes in everything I bake. I try to add them inside to bring flavor and make it so yummy. This brings in that coconut yummy flavor in here. So just a little bit, a handful is fine, or a little bowl of it in your mixture for flavor, taste, and coconuts are equally very healthy as well. So remember, everything here is healthy, and just one of it will keep you so full because this is so filling. Everything, you have all the fatty oils from like this. I will tell you the benefits at the end. So I'll be using either a pan or your muffins pan, cake pan. You can use your normal bread pan and bake like bread, but I like using this, so I do portion control. So when I use this, I do portion control. I know I have to eat just one of it, or if you're too hungry you can eat two of it, but trust me, I go for one of it and I feel so full for that day. So I ration it this way, and I know one today, one tomorrow. I know if I've baked 8, as I'll be baking 8 today, it will be for 8 days. So this is for 8 days. Unless you are still trying to be healthy, you can eat 2, but don't exceed 2. Don't exceed 2. 2 will keep you so full. Yeah, like breakfast. So these are 8 of them, and what you need to do is to bake on 350 for 20 minutes. So this is on 350 for 20 minutes. 350 for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you just leave it in there for 20 minutes at 350, and after 20 minutes you come and check you come and check. After that, if you want it browner than this, you can leave it for 5 more minutes, but trust me, I love it this way. I don't really like my food so overcooked. This way, I love it this way. So this is after 20 minutes, and these are my muffins. Very healthy oatmeal muffins, very healthy cupcakes or bread, whatever you want to call it. These are very healthy. Just one of these, if you are a healthy lifestyle lover, one of these for breakfast with your fat burning tea or whatever you are having for breakfast with. Trust me, this is so healthy with your tea, your black tea, your coffee. This is so healthy. Just one of these, rather than putting in bad calories into your system. Trust me, this is a very healthy alternative for breakfast or to snack on and live a very healthy life and in shape as well. Trust me, all the ingredients in here are natural healthy foods, not bad fats in here. You don't have any oil here or all those bad oils on the shelves. So I use coconut oil. Everything here is healthy. If you're looking to maintain a healthy body size, stick for this recipe, and trust me, you will thank me. These are the recipes I go for, and I maintain a healthy body size. I'm plump, I'm not skinny, and I'm not too big. I'm just in shape and with my belly down, no belly fat, because I eat foods that my system can easily break down, and this recipe, my system breaks it down so fast. Yeah, so you want to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.